What is the best move in this chess position for the white pieces? Our opponent has their rook on a3, about to capture our pawn on c3, and they have their knight on e5 in the center, controlling a lot of squares. But the only bad thing about our opponent's position is their pawn structure is trash. They got the double isolated pawns, isolated pawn on the a file. And their king isn't really protected. What is white's best move? Well, white's best move is doing rook b8, not knight f5, because they can just check our king or just do h5. But rook b8 forcing things. King g7, knight f5, check. King g6, rook g8, check. King h5, g4. Knight takes, pawn takes. Yes, we had checkmate. A forcing checkmate. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do in your games. Force things. Don't let your opponent have moves. Why? When you can just force it all the way to checkmate. Calculate. Do the best you can.